These things turned out fantastic. I am very, very pleased. I now have to cut them out of the parent stock. Shouldn't be too bad. In the past, I have done it with a pair of side cutters, like some really heavy duty ones. And I've used a Dremel, so we'll see which one works this time. After that, we'll just take to the belt grinder, take care of those burrs and edges and all that jazz, and then the panels will be done. I'm tired. I am not doing the connecting links or the bushings tonight. It'll still be in this video, just later. Because I'm beat. I've been out here for... since 10 o'clock, so that's what? 6, 7, 8, 9 hours I've been working on this? Yeah, I'm kind of tired. So here are the final chassis plates. Interestingly enough, this hole on both of them did not get drilled. Either it wasn't in the model, or something wrong with my tool path, I don't know. I basically just pinned it with some screws and drilled it by hand. No big deal, because I've got the 3 other holes to align it. But I got them all cleaned up, got all the tabs sanded off, well, filed off, because interestingly enough, like, I'd choose filing for that type of thing over the belt sander. Reason being is that I feel like the belt sander can be a little bit hungry, even with a fine belt. I am much better with a file than I am with the belt sander, so I would pick a file over that. You guys may also be wondering, what is this? What is this weird little tool with like a little squiggly deal on the end of it? Well, let me show you. This is a very nice tool. So this is called a deburring tool. So you have a piece of metal, as such, aluminum, steel, it can be whatever you want. It will take the burr off the corner of it. So, like that easy. It can be kind of finicky to get just the right angle. Let me zoom you in and manual focus you so that this thing will actually behave for me. There you go. You literally just go like that, and it creates a little chip. Let's see if I can get this really good in the shot. So you can take really aggressive cuts with it like that. I've taken off a pretty good size shaving. Or you can be incredibly light with it. You can simply just, like, super subtle. It literally will just take the burr off. If I've cut something with the metal shear behind me, if I milled something, it doesn't do outside radiuses very well. Something wide like this is fine, but these smaller corners, like such, on the chassis plates, doesn't do so great with. But these are cheap. You get like extra, like little cutting tips in the ass end of it, so. And you wear out, put a new one in, and away you go. Really, really nice tool. We only just got one recently. Wish we'd gotten one sooner. Before I go and make all my connecting links and spacers, I need to see actually how many I need to make and how long they are. So it looks like of this length, which I know is 1 3/4 inches, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll probably make 2 or 3 extras just in case I want to add another one somewhere else later down the line. For the little guys, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, that's also 8. So again, probably make a couple extra of those. And then this one is, I think, was it 2.5 inches? I think it was. Let me just check here real quick, make sure that is the case. Yes, 2.5 inches for this one. Okay. So that I just need one of, so I'll probably do just 2 of them, just to be safe. Like, I'm thinking there might need to be another one put up around this area, because there's a lot of space between the 2 outer plates here, and I don't think that's going to be good. But we'll see. So, I know what I need to make. Let's go make it. Just a quick note, to get these little spacers cut more or less evenly, I clamped a block of wood to our handheld bandsaw, butted the piece up against it, and cut it off. So that's how I did that, just for those wondering. Oh man, guys, this is getting exciting. All our parts are here, and I'm ready to assemble it. On this side are the parts I'm going to use. These are my good ones, and these are my extras that were a little less perfect. But I'm so excited to put this together. Let's just jump right into it. So yes, I did film a time lapse on my GoPro, but 15 seconds I feel like just isn't gonna do this justice. So I took it back apart and I'm gonna do it again. Guys, check this out. It's done. The chassis is done. minus a center skid plate, which we're going to be making next episode. I am really happy with the way this turned out. These two spacers are for shock supports, and this one I left a little bit loose because it's a little too short, so I'm probably going to go make another one. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. The spacers and the links in some locations don't look like they're lined up very nicely, just because, you know, either the hole wasn't centered on one or the other, or the threading on the centerpieces was a little crooked. That's my only qualm about it. But honestly, like, if I hold it at arm's length, like, that more or less looks really nice. So this has taken me over a year to get to this point, you guys. This is crazy. With that, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this episode, episode 1 of the MOA build. I am really pleased with this, finally getting around to making this chassis and getting it, like I said, from computer to reality. Next episode, I'm planning on building the center skid plate, or machining it. I think that's going to be pretty much the entirety of next episode. I want to do a pretty in-depth machining video around that. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, hit that subscribe button, comment down below if you are excited for the next episodes of the MOA build. As always, follow me on Instagram at Howie49_RC. Support me on Patreon if you can. Join my Discord server as well. I've been posting a lot of pictures of this on there. Oh, become a member. So if you want to help support the channel and support me for crazy projects and builds like this one, definitely consider that. That'd be fantastic. So I think that's all I've got to say, guys. I know this has probably been a quite long video, so I'm going to quit rambling. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.